students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus, 13th chapter, surface area and volume. Already I have completed 4 exercises. In this class, I will be doing 5th exercise, 8th sum I will do. A solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. So this is the thing we are asked. So first we will find the volume of the cube, that is the bigger cube of 12 centimeter. First we will find the volume. Okay, the volume of the cube is formula for volume of cube is A cube cubic units. A cube cubic units. So here the side of the cube is given as 12 centimeter. So side of cube is given as 12 centimeter. So we will substitute this in the volume formula. So volume of cube is equal to 12 cube, that is 12 into 12 into 12. 12 cube, volume is given as A cube, so it is 12 cube, that is 12 into 12 into 12. So this much centimeter cube is the volume of the cube, So now, what is the question asked? It is cut into 8 equal cubes. So, volume of this bigger cube is equal to volume of the 8 cubes. Both the volumes are equal. So, when we after finding the volume of the cube, if we divide by 8, after dividing it by 8, whatever answer we are getting, that will be the volume of one small cube. From that we will find the side of the cube. Okay, so volume of cube, that is bigger cube. Volume of the bigger cube is 12 into 12 into 12 centimeter cube. So I am keeping it as it is. Why? Because simplification will be easier. So I am keeping that as it is. So volume of small cubes, one small cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. So if you divide this, we will get the volume of 1 cube. So this is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 12 into 6 3s are 18. So 18 into 12. So 8 2s are 16, 3, 18, 2, 1, 6 we will get as the volume of one small cube. So volume of one small cube is equal to 216 centimeter cube. So volume of one small cube is equal to 216 centimeter cube. But we are asked to find the side of the new cube. So side of small cube. Side of small cube is equal to cube root of 216. How we will get cube root of 216? We know that volume is A cube. So A cube is given as 216. So we will get A. A is nothing but the side cube. Side cube is equal to 216. So we will get A is equal to cube root of 216. That is the thing here. So cube root of 216 is 6 cube is 216. So cube root of 216 is 6 centimeter. That is 6 into 6 into 6 will be 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 is 216. So 6 centimeter is the side of small cube. Then also find the ratio between their surface areas. So ratio between surface areas is equal to, okay, what is the formula for surface area of the cube? Surface area of the cube is 6a square. So I will take the bigger one as the surface area of the bigger cube as 6 capital A square, just for differentiation. So that is 6a square, and the small cube as 6 small a square. Okay, so this is equal to 6 into for the bigger one, side is given as 12 centimeter. So 6 into 12 into 12 divided by 6 into, for the small a it is 6 into, that is side of the small cube is 6 into 6. So when we simplify all these things, 6 will get cancelled. This one will be 2 times, the other one will be 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. So the ratio between the surface area is 4 by 1, that is equal to 4:1. So the ratio between the surface area of the bigger cube to the smaller cube is 4:1. Next sum is ninth one. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. How much water will flow into the sea in a minute? So, if we take a river, for that river, the information is given. That is, this is a river. So, river will be flowing like this. Flowing like this. So, for this one, a river 3 meter deep. So, deep means height of the river is given as 3 meter. Deep means that height. Height of the river is given as 3 meters. 40 meter wide. So, width is given as 40 meter. Sorry, width is given as 40 meter. Width of the river is given as, width is nothing but the breadth. It is given as 40 meter. Then is flowing at a rate of 2 kilometer per hour. So that 2 kilometer per hour we have to take it as length. 2 kilometer per hour is the length. So now we got the dimensions of a cuboid. For this we need to find the volume. How much water will flow into the sea in a minute? So height is given as 3 meter. Breadth is given as 40 meters and length is given as 2 kilometer per hour. It is given as 2 kilometer per hour. These two measurements are given in meter. So we will convert this kilometer also to meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter per hour. Okay, now we will substitute all these things in the volume formula, that is LBH. So length is 2000 into breadth is 40 into height is 3 meter. So everything, all the 3 meter cube. Since it is volume, we will get the meter cube of that. Then how much water will flow into the sea in a minute? Okay, so amount of water that flow into the sea in a minute, is equal to 2000 into 40 into 3 divided by 60. Okay, 2000 into 40 into 3 divided by 60 for a minute. So, divided by 60. So, if we simplify this, we get 2 3s are 6, 3 will get cancelled. So, we will get 4000 meter cube. 2000 into 2 is 4000 meter cube. So, this much amount of water, that is 4000 meter cube of water will flow into the sea in a minute. So, whatever is given, that we are converting it to the length, breadth and height of a cuboid, and then for a minute we are dividing that volume by 60. We are getting 4000 meter cube. So, 4000 meter cube of water is flowing into the sea in a minute. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. So, exercise 13.5 is also over. Thank you.